So yeah, we had rain earlier today, but that cleared up and the sky is nice and blue. The air is nice and chilly, like crisp, I guess. Not cold, but I mean, I'm in a tank top, but it's cool. It's calm. And Mark is doing fixes. Mark is testing out our new grommet tool, which puts grommet holes in material. It's like a little squeezy wrench-like thing that you can just grab a piece of fabric and it just punches the hole and then sticks the grommet in. One of the ones ripped, like quite a few in the middle ripped on both sides. So Mark's doubling up, and then we're replacing this cheap elastic strap that this greenhouse kit came with. Replacing all of this crappy elastic cord with proper metal wire, steel wire that is swaged. That's what Mark's doing right now. And then Mark has made these wooden plank grates, which the sprinkle bags are gonna sit on top of. So here, right here, I think the plan is in each one of these spaces, these little like units where there's a window, we can fit two 2-foot by 2-foot bags. And each one of these bags will hold 2 sprinkle sprouts. So in each one of these window areas, there will be 4 total tomato plants. And then each one of the grates, whether they're metal or wood, spans 2 of these window units and can hold 4 bags total. So that is 8 tomato plants on one grate. So the plan for today is to get 8 tomato babies in these 4 bags right here. This is the safest, most prepared area because earlier this week we put this shade up and the sun, for the most part, doesn't really get to this side, this northern side of the greenhouse. So the exciting thing about this is choosing, well, I mean the whole thing is exciting, I guess, but I get to choose what babies live together. So this one, like when I went in the greenhouse now, I was sizing up who is going to be their bag mate for life. Mark, it's important to have the right bag mate.
It is. Bag mates are important, yes.
So this baby doesn't have a name yet, and I need to fix that. And then this one doesn't have a name yet either, and I need to fix that. But they're gonna be bag mates for life. And the scary thing is getting the baby out of this bucket.